Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2008 Kawasaki ZX-14 Special Edition. This is a Hypersports bike. It's a 1400cc inline 4 liquid cooled, super powerful. It's a Hayabusa competitor. And in fact, you know, the new editions have won the top speed shootouts. This one has a lot of really cool extras. The standard paint job, as you see it, with the red and the matte black and flames down in the front. This bike here has only 3,057 miles. It's equipped with a zero gravity tinted windscreen. It's got a Voodoo Exhaust system. Really makes a nice loud sound. Power commander. It also has a Scorpio Alarm system. The rear seat cowl, fender eliminator kit. This bike is in really awesome shape. It's a gorgeous black and red matte finish. Come and make your Hypersports bike dreams come true. Only $74.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. 3,057 miles. 2008 Kawasaki ZX-14 Special Edition. We have financing available, extended service contract, we have insurance. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.